Hi there, I begin this haircut tutorial by punching my first initial guideline below the C-curve area. As you can see, I'm moving the blade position towards the upper top of the occipital bone to match the other side, creating a more balanced look. Next is to remove all the excess hair underneath the guideline I have now created. Hi there, if you are really looking for an affordable trimmer, I highly recommend this trimmer. It's by WMark with the model number NG2021. But WMark is not sponsoring this video, it's just my personal preference. My next move is to open the lever to a full lever position as I create another 1/8 guideline or more. Now see there is a visible line between the previous baseline and the new guideline. Now I drag the lever to a 3/4 position as I begin the fading process to separate the dark from the light area. I'm using the blade lever adjustment to achieve the fade, moving one step at a time. Push to the line and flick out. Anything higher than the length of the tip, I use the corners of the blade to achieve the transition. I remove the last line of the trimmer baseline that I created in my initial guideline. Always use the corners of the blade as you go through the entire process. Now I grab the number 1 guide and move the lever adjustment to the 0 position and move another inch of guideline, ensuring that the length is at 1 inch. Then I take off the guard and move the clip adjustment to the full lever position, which is approximately 1 inch in length. Now I begin the fading process, pushing to the line and flick out. Anything longer than 1 inch, I use the corners of the blade to create an even and consistent look. When it comes to the hair on the top, I grab my 1.5 guard. The lever is set at the full lever position. As I move the blade against the grain, making sure the entire hair lays down evenly. Now I move the clipper to a 3/4 position as I set my focus point on the edge line, pushing the fade into the long hair to create a seamless transition. in the haircut. Use your eyes and mirror to pinpoint a target. Use a different guard if necessary to achieve the final look. I'm washing my client hair with some shampoo product as I'm brushing it down and getting the hair ready for the lineup.